Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simple, cute back to school makeup look for you guys. It's real simple and easy. Most of the stuff is drugstore. I hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you guys liked this makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, to refresh our face, we're going to use our cucumber water. We're going to spray it on. And to prime our lips, we're going to use Hey Honey, just so our lips aren't chapped. Just to make sure that our lips aren't chapped, we put this. That way our lips are hydrated before we put anything on our lips later. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started on our brows. We're going to go ahead and use Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12. And then we're going to use the Anastasia pomade. You can see the difference already from this brow and this brow. Okay, now I'm done with this brow. I'm going to go ahead a little more with the Brow Wiz in the same color. Just in the front. We've done this brow. I'm going to go ahead and clean it off. We're going to clean it up with the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. Just going to grab a little bit. We don't want too much. And then I'm going to grab this motor brush right here to blend out the concealer. So you can see it made a difference right here. We're going to go ahead and now carve the bottom part of the brow, okay? This is probably the only thing that's gonna take long. This is just so our brows aren't messed up. And there we go. So you can see it right there. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow off camera, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back now with both my eyebrows done. So now I'm going to go ahead and just prime my face. Alright. Okay, face is primed, and today we're gonna go ahead and use something more lightweight. not so full coverage because you know it is school and it's something quick and easy. And we're going to go ahead and go with the matte and poreless from Maybelline. Alrighty, we're going to use the matte and poreless, and I am in number 220 Natural Beige. And today we are going to use the this flat kabuki brush from Walmart. It's the Equate brand. It's a really good brand. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and dot it all over my face.
Foundation.
As you can see, it's not a full coverage foundation. It's just something nice and natural. And then make sure you get to your neck also, because you wouldn't want to have that makeup line. Okay, now that we've finished, we're going to go ahead and go with a light concealer also, because I know that the Shape Tape is real full coverage. And if you want to go for something light for school, you want to look a little more natural, we're going to go ahead and use the Maybelline. We're going to use the Fit Me Maybelline concealer, also part of the Fit Me line. And I am in the shade 15 Fair. Not so much, we're just going to put very little. And then we're going to go in with a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. We're going to go ahead and blend that out real quick. This is one of my favorite drugstore concealers of all time. So we're just going to do and grab that foundation brush again and just blend it out a little bit from the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and use our Spun face powder right here. It's a little beat up already, but it's still a really good powder. Minus the smell, it's still good. We're going to go ahead and grab our beauty blender just so we can pat on that powder. Just put that under your eye. We're not trying to bake it. We're just going to set that concealer so it doesn't crease. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. To the whole face, and we're going to use our Real Techniques powder brush. It's a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to grab a little bit of powder. Not too much, as you can see. We're going to dust that all over the face. Alrighty, now that we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and contour. We're going to go ahead and just bronze the face, actually, just very little, not too much. And for that, we are going to use our Kat Von D Shade and Light contour. And we're going to go in with that middle shade right here. I'm going to go in with the Morphe R2 brush. Just a little bit more. I don't try to do too much. Alrighty, now that we finished that real quick and simple, we're going to go ahead and just bake it real quick. Nothing too extreme. Okay, nothing too much. Now I'm gonna go ahead. Nothing too much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off. As you can see, it's not such a harsh line, but it is there. Okay, now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyes real quick. Our eyes have been already primed with that concealer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tap the axes of the powder that we have. I am going to use the Modern Renaissance palette today. Just something real quick just to have some color on our eyes. And today I am going to use the Morphe M504 to blend that in. And I'm just going to go ahead and go with burnt orange right here. Just to give some color to us. You see, you just can see the difference from both eyes. Just something real quick and simple, guys. And then from there, we can just apply just a little bit of shimmer. We're gonna go ahead and use Primavera right here on this gold shade. We're gonna put it right on the inner corner of our eyes so it looks like we are awake. You see how it opened up the eye real good compared to this one? Just so you know that we didn't stay up all night trying to figure out our outfit for the next day, for the first day of school, guys. Alrighty, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish off with mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Benefit Roller Lash. Put some on our bottom lashes. Okay, and then just for another coat, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Action. Alrighty, now that our mascara has been done, guys, we're gonna go ahead and set our face. I'm just gonna let the lashes dry a little bit, and then we're just gonna go ahead and go with our Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, just so we can have that glowy look. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put on our highlighter. Alrighty, now that we've set the face with that luminous skin mist, we're going to go ahead and go with our highlighter. I don't know, what should we go with today? We have the Anastasia, the Emerezi highlighter collaboration, or the Morphe X Bretman one. Let's go ahead and go with Bretman for today. And I'm going to go with this shade right here, Vacation. We're going to go ahead and use that. And then I'm going to use also the brush that came with it, the Morphe X Bretman. Instead of lipstick or anything like that, or liquid lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and use a gloss for today. I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in BLG07, and I'm going to go ahead and use that all over my lips. Okay, and there we go. Alrighty, guys, and this is our final look. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. If you guys like more videos like this, just let me know down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye.